that will be supported. We are not limiting our support to these schools, but we are highlighting these schools. DGG, we have established that they don't have teachers in certain subjects, and so we are putting these learners in a campaign. As when two teachers are not at school, they are on leave, a maths, a life sciences teacher. So since the beginning of the year, they've not been taught. So we are encouraging principals of these schools that are performing below 80–70%, that just raise up your hand in case there has been a subject that has not been taught since the beginning of the year. Our role is to support schools. So we are taking these learners to the camp because they've not been taught maths, they've not been taught life sciences, and this is the combination of the schools. There are other small and non-viable schools that we have identified, schools with 7, 3, 4 learners that we are also going to be taking to the camp. And our camp started early in January. 31 January, sinendawo yethu eyimfihlo DGG esizoke simembe kuyona uzosibonela yona. So it's user friendly for our learners because laphayana suke sibavalele mabefika on Friday. We take them for 4 hours for teaching, the actual teaching, and then Saturday for other 2 subjects. Sunday, it's released about 2 o'clock. And DGG, as well, in the absence of the life sciences teacher, they've covered the content you're at one. They've done DNA, they've done meiosis, they've done human reproduction. Content one has been covered. So this is what curriculum coverage, learner performance through informal tests. It's mandatory that you administer those informal tests. And we have observed in the schools that we have visited, I don't want to name and shame, that these tests you do them just for malicious compliance. At grade 12. You don't pitch questions according to Bloom's taxonomy. It's all true, no false. Basic one, 50 out of 50 in front of you, in your presentation code. And then you submit to the second manager. Let me tell you, when I just respond to them and say, just go back and re-administer the test. We have agreed for the control tests, we will monitor them. Patch Chief Director, see our kilometer or monitor the control tests. So I beg by our administrator. Because says one other thing that where we keep falling is that they bluff us. They repeat this test. When the learners failed for the content that they have not covered, it was 100%, 25 out of 25. Mr. Numan, you will recall from one of the schools where we're looking at the learners' work. 25 out of 25. Who come up with 25 out of 25? They were given the memorandum by the teacher. So we coach and we don't want to see them better managing learner pregnancy because that poses a risk. If you have 20 learners and 2 learners become pregnant, and if you don't manage that and ensure that they get work, don't go to them with the attitude. And manage it. Because you will expect them and then they will come back to the Zoma. Have you not been taught? What is important, colleagues, is what learners learn and what teachers teach.